Analyze Now Algo for analyzing current market trends. Analyze Now. When you click Analyze Now, it freezes your current selection and zero value indicator provides you with analysis and suggests you support and resistance levels with your given inputs. Robo-tech analyzes the two nearest support zones, where it suggests two entry point and its respective two exit points with stop-loss levels. Analyze Now gives you opportunity to analyze short, medium, and long-term trends on a single click in live markets. You can customize and save your strategy in Analyze Now Gallery and view them by clicking Save button. You can organize your trading and investing preferences as per your need and risk appetite. Robo-tech analyzes your current selection and provides you with major support and resistance zones in terms of dialogue with your name input on a real-time basis. With this system, you can experience a hassle-free trading, that too with your desired input, where you can test 100 live trades with our free trial offer valid for 1 month. Analyze Now is a feature which helps you in decision-making in live market without much tech jargon. When you click Analyze Now button, you get trend analysis in terms of entry-exit levels for your current selection and guides you in terms of dialogues in English with your name input.